Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Solana. We're going to be analyzing the charts, see what really is happening and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As of June 11th, 2023, you guys can see the price of Solana is currently sitting at $16, up 3.6% over the last 24 hours. In USD comparative, also up 2.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. We know what has happened with the price of Solana over the past few days. SEC has come out and labeled Solana along with other cryptocurrencies as securities, which has caused a massive bloodbath for these projects that were labeled as securities. Not only that, I think this put a massive sell pressure and a negative tone within the crypto space, and we did see a massive drop for altcoins over the past few days. So now we're going to be analyzing the chart, see what really is happening, whether or not we could see a reversal happening. So let's get right into it. If we're looking at the market cap, currently sitting at $6.37 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $500 million. So if we're shifting our focus towards the price, let's discuss the price. But before we get into the price, I just wanted to share this with you guys so you guys can see worldwide over the past 7 days, Solana has been in an upwards trajectory in terms of searches. And of course, that is no secret at this point because Solana did take a massive hit. That is going to get a lot of people coming and searching about Solana to see what really is happening. So that is, of course, that. I just wanted to share that with you guys, but now let's get right into the price, see what really has happened and where I could see the price of Solana going in the immediate short term. Of course, guys, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. If we're looking at the price of Solana right now, of course, at this point, everyone is familiar as to what really happened over the past few days. As soon as we lost this massive level of support for the price of Solana, we did see the price go all the way down to $12.88. So just from June 10th, we saw a drop of about 34% for the price of Sol. So a huge, significant drop. And now comes the question, have we hit the bottom? Are we just about to get, back to this level? Or is this, the start to us going lower to these prices that we have not seen since December? So if we're looking at the price of Solana on the hourly time frame, gives us a better understanding as to what really is happening. So of course, after that news, that put a massive sell pressure on the entire market's dominance increased, hit a yearly high. Bitcoin did, that caused altcoins to really see a massive bloodbath across the board. And you guys can see this for yourself. Since June 10th, if you got lucky, like somehow you got lucky and picked up some Solana around this range, you are already up 25% from that range. And that might have been a great spot to buy, especially if Solana reclaims above that insanely important level of resistance. And if I bring out the tool for you guys can see that is a move of about 14%. And if BTC now continues to get towards the upside, maybe possibly gets back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, I can see Solana making a move back above this level really fast. Right now, what we're seeing happening is we're seeing the price of Solana face some resistance exactly at the level where we were back on March, and that's where the price is currently sitting at. And what happened after that. When Solana did hit this $16 price point back on March, we saw the price go up to another 61%, hit $26. So of course now comes the question, is the price of Solana able to get back above this? I think it is really possible for the price of Solana to get back above 14%. Is not a massive move. And remember, if Bitcoin gets back into the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, things can really start moving up quite fast. And now comes the question, what about the SEC? SEC came out and said they're security. Why is Solana not moving towards the downside? People are tired of the SEC at this point, and we see that. We're seeing that within the crypto space. They are coming at, Solana Foundation came out and posted that, Solana is not a security, it's a native token for their blockchain. I really want to see how they can argue that. Of course, financially speaking, I'm sorry, not financially, the financial terminology, I do see it from that point of view. But how do they argue the fact that, this is a native token for the blockchain? And can they say, you can't have a blockchain, you can't have a project? So, I really want to see how they're going to argue this and how they're going to, move forward from this. So the next few, weeks, months can be very, very important. But, we're seeing the interest is still there. People are scooping up the dip. And I've seen on the Twitter and within the Solana community, a lot of people saying, this is just another massive bump on the road. But, I'm going to be accumulating some Solana at a cheaper price. And I've seen that happening left and right. But we will see, we will have to see what happens. Do I believe Solana is over? Absolutely not. Do I think Solana is going to lag behind? We will see. Let's hope. Now, let's hope for this, guys. They have just labeled, quote unquote, and they can do whatever they want. If they can label whatever they want, it's not a lawsuit. If this becomes a lawsuit like we have seen with XRP, then yes, I could see prices drop back down to December prices. And that is no secret at this point. And if that were to happen, I'm going in. I will go in like crazy, and that's of course I'm willing to take that risk, and of course I'm going to invest money that I can afford to lose. But I believe in Solana that much. Of course, no one wants to see that happen, but that is definitely not out of the woods as of now. So we are going to see what really happens as we do go into the near future. Right now, if we get rejected out of this level of resistance, which of course is coming in our way as we're moving towards the upside, we could see more downwards momentum once again. So that is something we need to keep in mind. But of course, if BTC starts increasing towards the upside, then I could see us reclaim that spot. That might bring in a little bit more interest, and we could see the price spiking up. But like I said, right now we're in such an iffy situation. We need to see how things go, but they can't really come out and sue every single project and label them because they're security. It's just an iffy situation. It's a new technology. Just because it's not like the good old financial markets like they're used to, they can't just underestimate that new technology can make some massive moves as well. And it's not going to be like their good old financial markets, the good old stocks, bonds, and whatever you want to call it. So it's really going to be interesting how this plays out. But let me know down below what you guys think right now. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think. Where could you see the price of Solana going? Where do you think this entire SEC labeling these coins is heading next? I want to hear that from you guys in the comment section. Love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.